what brought me here today is I want to hire for my business. I want to learn what I should look for in a person, but also what would stop me from hiring a qualified person.
You think that you must do everything. Because we have been taught that our value lies in how much we do. And then you want to do it all because you want to be Superwoman. Release that. That is going to keep you stuck for the rest of your life.
I know Soribel has the mindset framework, and that's really what I came for. I want to learn how I get in my own way for making great decisions for my business. So, thank you.